If you think squid are just weird sea creatures, think again. Their eyes have a superpower you won't believe. Squid have eyes more advanced than most of us realize. These underwater marvels possess camera-like eyes that are not just about seeing shapes and colors. They can detect polarized light. What does that mean? Imagine being able to see hidden patterns and contrasts underwater that are invisible to others. It's like having a built-in pair of secret agent glasses. This unique vision helps squids hunt, avoid predators, and navigate the ocean depths with precision. So the next time you think about these fascinating creatures, remember, they see the world in a way we can only dream of. If you enjoyed learning this cool fact, hit that like button and subscribe for more amazing science tidbits. Thanks for watching.